Hello everybody, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do a quick wig review or show and tell on this wig today. It is called Model AT215, and I got it in the color OM430P, and it was from ebonyline.com for $28.95. It was $2 extra for this 430 color, but 430 is my favorite color to wear. I do not tend to care for black and off black on me because my natural hair, it's not really that black. It's more of a brownish and has some red tones in it. But here's the wig. It's a lace front, synthetic. And it comes in a really nice box that I like. And the wig construction is standard with the 2 combs in the front and the 1 comb in the back. And it has some baby hair, so when you pull the hair up or back, it'll look natural across the hairline in the back. And it has these tracks in the wig cap, which is cool for the summertime, and plus it's convenient for when your scalp is itching. You can really get in there and scratch. So it has soft lace, and I'm gonna cut that lace off and try the wig on. Actually, I decided to try the wig on before I cut the lace because I kind of like to see how it's going to fit on my head and whether or not I want the part to be. I usually don't like my parts on the side, in the middle. I generally tend to like them off-centered. It just looks better on me, I think. It's just my preference. And I prefer the right side, but this is not going to go to the right. It goes more towards the left with these ear tabs. And the wig fits kind of loose. And my head tends to be average or a little bit bigger than average. So I think I'm going to have to adjust the straps. And usually I cut the 2 front combs on the sides off because it irritates me, and I leave the one on the back so when I put my hair up, the wig will stay down. So it just depends on how I can get this lace. If I can get it to secure, then I'll cut the combs out. Otherwise, I'll use the combs to kind of help keep the wig in place. But it looks like it's going to be real simple to style. Nothing too complicated. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I discovered something about this wig already that I don't like, and it's the straps in the back. They have this little hook on them, and I cannot get it loose. I need to tighten this wig. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie or sew on my own elastic band to the back so that I can get this wig to fit more snugly, and it'll let this in the front lay more flush also. So I'm going to try to see if I can get it to adhere with the Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. I like using it better than I do the gel, just for a quick way to attach the wig. It doesn't take as long to dry as that gel. And I'm not going to be secured at that long because I'm not going to wear this wig that long. I know I'm going to wear it tomorrow to a brunch, but other than that, it's not like I'm going to be wearing it for days at a time. and just pressing it down into place. Let's brush out the curls and see how it looks. I love this color. It has a lot of bounce with these big barrel curls. I really like it. It's pretty. It's kind of speaking va-va-voom. To me, it's very voluminous. So this is most of the hair to the front. See if I can tuck some of that behind my ear. Ooh, I like this. I love this swoop over here. That is really cute. The part looks good. It doesn't look like I need to do anything to it. I like this. It's very becoming. So let's see how it looks from the side and the back. Yeah. I really like the way this lays. It's very full. I like the density of it. And I like to wear my hair in different styles with one wig. I don't like wearing it the same way all the time. So let's see if it'll go back into a, you can pull it up, like, especially here in Texas, it gets so hot. Sometimes you just don't want a bunch of hair on your neck. So it's good to be able to pull it back and get it off your neck. Secure that down, and then I think that looks pretty decent. One is hot. I need to get a scarf and tie it around to let the lace stay down. But like I said, I'm not gonna keep this wig on. So yeah, I like the way this looks. And I love this color. Like I said, it's my favorite color. And if a wig doesn't come in 430, sometimes, well, most of the time, I probably won't get it. Sometimes I'll do a 1B, but this is my favorite color to wear. So yeah. think I'll end this right here, you guys, and thanks for watching.